Welcome to the Northern Arizona Real Estate Channel. I am Mark, and this channel right here on YouTube is brought to you by myself and my wife, Jackie Tate from Realty One Group Mountain Desert. Today we're in Ponderosa Trails. Yeah, Ponderosa Trails. A biggin. This is one of the big subdivisions here in Flagstaff. Probably number one in terms of number of homes, and I'm going to say in the 650 range. So it's a biggin. Single family homes in here. There are some townhomes. And it's very, very popular. I usually don't talk numbers, because if you really want numbers, we have in the description a little link, and you can click on that link and you can see what's available in Ponderosa Trails, which is where we are. And here's your landmark right here, Ponderosa Trails right there. So there's a link, and it shows, and it'll pop up. It'll take you to all the active listings in here, right? A direct feed from MLS. So it's kind of nice. 24/7 if you want, you can click on that and see what's available. Of course, we can set you up on a search, and we'll send those things out to you as they become available in the size and price range that you're wanting to have. This is a little bit newer area. You can see this house here just got built. So there's a few infill lots. There's a few lots that are still left in here. And the lot sizes are pretty nice. Now there's some smaller stuff. There's 8,000 square foot lots, but a lot of the lots in here are 10, 11, 12,000 square feet. This cul-de-sac is a newer cul-de-sac. You can tell even the concrete's newer. But just to give you an idea on Ponderosa Trails. Now, PT, that's what a lot of people call it here. They call it PT right here in Flagstaff. 650 homes right against the Flagstaff Urban Trail System. Began to be a couple of bluebirds right there. A lot of bluebirds in Flagstaff. Began to be built in the 2000s, early 2000s, and you can expect homes in here from about 1,400 square feet to over 3,000. I mean, I'll guarantee you there's houses in here at over 4,000. But I would say the sweet spot is probably 14 to 22 or 2,300. And, you know, there's a number, though, that are obviously above that. It's my wife texting me. Sorry about that. I guess I could turn that down a little bit. She's actually headed to California to speak at a real estate convention. So she left me behind. So the airport, this is very near the airport. The airport literally is a mile and a half away. So just to our right, due south from here, is the Flagstaff Airport. So you will get a little bit of airplane noise here. And I've spent quite a bit of time in Ponderosa Trails, and I can tell you, I haven't really noticed it much. I really haven't. There is an HOA in here. So it looks a little cleaner than what you'd have over at like University Heights. And it's a little bit newer. If that stuff started, actually some of those homes in University Heights are in the 60s. This started in the 2000s. And your price range is going to be a little bit higher too. Just because they're a little bit newer homes are going to pull a little bit more money. But you've got two-story and single-level stuff in here, and depending upon the lots, you know, you could have some you could have tri-level houses in here, because if you're going down or you're going up, in topography on the lot, you got to do what you got to do to build on it. That's San Francisco Peak right there. Yeah, it's the San Francisco Peaks right there. But our whole idea behind this is that, you know, a picture is worth 1,000 words. They say, well, how much is a video? So this is really about you just taking a drive with us, checking out Ponderosa trails, seeing what it's all about. And you know, sometimes people stand right in the middle of the road and just got a little kid, he's trying to get home. So I get it. I'll wave at you though, but you're not gonna even look at me. Okay. But yeah, we'll give this guy a wave. He wave back. Yeah, pretty friendly here in Flagstaff. You know, you're a couple miles from NAU, from where we're at right now. Downtown is 7-8 minutes, I suppose. Ponderosa Trails is south of the 40 and to the east of the I-17. You can see some of these little trail systems throughout here. There's parks here, there's little trail systems. I mean, there's no like clubhouse. There's no community pool or anything like that. But that's what keeps your HOA fees nice and low. And yet, you still have an HOA, so if somebody's rebuilding their, you know, Chevy 350 on their front lawn, somebody's going to complain and we're going to pull that motor out of there. If you hear a little bit of panting, that's Zoe. I just had to take her outside of the car